Welcome back. Today we are back with new and interesting subject. This pandemic shown all of us very scary picture as well as big opportunity also. The situation made people think about another source of income. Some obvious options come in mind to many people, and those are buy cheap product and sell at high price. So in this ideal case, they can earn some extra money as well as make a profit. In all selling options, there is maybe direct selling to the customer, there may be another directly storing to stores or any offline formats, or most favorite is selling through online portals. Online looks very tempting to everybody, and it's true also. Actually, it's tempting because this is the only medium that makes you reach 2 billion or more people without more investment. Online has tremendous opportunity to sell any product to any customer globally. We saw many people making good money from online, but here I want to use the word caution. But at the same time, I want to make you aware, more than 80% of people lost their money while selling online. There are chances you may also lose money while selling online. Why? Because of not knowing process, not knowing customer, and many other things on those online business work. But it can be avoided also by understanding how online business works, how we can earn money out of that. So here I am sharing 10 tips which might help you to sell online. So point number 1, know your customer. You know your product, you know your specialty of the product. Now there is a need to understand who the customer is and who is going to buy your product. The better you know your customer in advance, only then you sell and make money, make more money. Your customer, your consumer is one who is going to buy or consume your product. One who is going to pay you money, who is going to make you profitable, and who is going to make you millionaire or billionaire one day. That's why it's our duty and responsibility to understand those valuable customers, understand their needs, understand their aspiration, and understand their spending habits. When you know your customer, now you have to understand your competition. So point number 2 is watch your competition. Competitor is one who sells similar products or similar product category on platform or area where you want to sell your product. You need to study in detail about competitors. How many competitors available or selling similar product online? What is the pricing they are selling at versus the price you are planned? Quality of the product they sell. What promotions, offers they are running, how they display or how they short their products, and much more information you can collect on just button click. Provide value to customer. This is point number 3. The value doesn't mean the only price of the product, but the entire offering you showcased, and that should be value for the money which customer spending. When a customer buys your product and when that delivers to him or her, he or she should feel happy and delighted. The quality of product offered at a price is also coming under the value. Even your service after sales comes under value to the customer. Remember, customer will spend or buy product only when he or she finds value for money. Try to provide best value to your customer, and customer will make you rich for sure. After knowing customer, competition, value, now comes pricing of the product. So we'll understand point number 4, understand pricing strategy. Many factors decide your pricing strategy: your product buying cost, estimated expenses for buying and selling that product, same or similar product competitor pricing, your desired margin or your desired profit, your planned discounts and promotions, your target of selling certain quantity, and many more things. When you are deciding your product pricing, decide it wisely, because that is going to decide your sales along with your profit or loss. Now point number 5, don't try to make everyone happy. You might be asking me what you are trying to tell everybody, but this is a really genuine point, and that is what I want to emphasize on this point. Don't do business to just make somebody or everybody happy. Don't try to sell everything. Rather focus or make mastery into very selected product lines. When you try to be master of everything, customer has power to make you master of nothing. So focus. Be clear, rather ask question yourself. Why you are doing this? Why you are selling that product? What you are going to do and how you are going to do. Now next point come to after that is connect with your supplier. Remember one thing, your supplier is one of the main and crucial element in your online business journey. Make good and faithful relationship with your supplier. Make sure your supplier will provide you best possible value deal. Seek exclusivity from your supplier if possible. Make sure you are buying at a best price or best cost. Validate or check quality of the product from experts. Also, don't keep blind faith. Cross-check your product cost, quality with the different competitors. Now here is one of the crucial point of entire online business journey. Know in advance you are not going to sell 100%. And this is one of the interesting point. I'm telling you, you are not going to sell 100%. Here is one Pareto principle of 80-20, and that applies to most of the products, most of the businesses. That means only 20% of your product are going to give 70 to 80% of your business. And rest 70 to 80% product you might be sell slow, or you need to liquidate that product higher discount. And even after that, you will might be not able to sell 100%. So now point number 8, understand, manage your inventory. First thing you need to do before ordering stocks from your supplier is to plan or forecast your sale. If you do not understand how to forecast, then initially just buy limited or just minimum quantity. Understand how it's selling, and then you can plan, you can forecast your future sale and then buy accordingly. Make sure you are buying what is selling. This is one of the biggest mistake people do. When they start selling, they try to introduce new product. Rather than doing that, try to sell same product what you are selling with a speed, and you will get more money out of that. So when you are buying inventory, one thing need to notice, things to understand, don't get into trap of cheap value purchases from your suppliers or from your stockists or market, because mostly unsold product sold at cheap price. So point number 9, Know all the expenses well in advance. When you are planning to sell online, when you are to do business online, there are hidden costs. There are some many clear and hidden costs to sell online. Some are fixed cost, some are variable cost. There are some examples. It's like total margin. The platform you want to sell, they will take a commission or some margin out of your business. Fixed costs, they offer total fixed charges, delivery charges, return pickup charges, return delivery charges, penalty, some late delivery charges or any defective product penalties, photo shoot charges, packaging material charges, and many more things. So it's always better to know your all expenses well in advance. And last and one of the most important point for even online or even any retail, measure, analyze, and understand. If you want to sell online, also make your business profitable, then you have to understand how it's selling, what is selling. Understand what sales patterns of your product. Understand sales, cost, or different variable expenses you are going to get out of this. Analysis of each and every product is one of the crucial things in this entire journey. Based on analysis, you can decide what to buy, how to buy, when to buy, and at what price you have to sell that product. So don't be afraid to ask help. If you are planning to sell online, then you are not only one who is doing this. Ask for help from the people near you or experts around you. If you want to connect for more detail or online business or retail business, put a query in a comment box. To watch similar informative videos, hit like button and subscribe button. We are here